Today is October 19th, 2019, and we have done it again. We thrifted. Stuff from the bins.
Portland Pickers! And did we do some picking today?
Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
We went to the bins and we did a different video that you could see on our channel.
We have another video other than this video. So if you watch this video, you definitely want to see the other video. And then if you see both of those, then you'll want to just click the subscribe button, and you have to hit that little ringy ding bell, otherwise you won't know when there's another video that maybe refers to this video that they're all interconnected. And this is an official bins haul. So we spent, minus the stuff my sister got, around $30. Everything in here was about $8 because this was at an electronic weight, which was 70 cents a pound. I don't know if this is very much, and I cleaned the contacts and put in fresh bats, but it's cute, and this might go to the warehouse sale, or it might be our personal flashlight around the house. This I scanned on Amazon, 18 bucks with a pretty decent rank. I'll grab stuff that's like lower value like this for Amazon because it takes 2 seconds to list. In fact, I already listed it. It's brand new and it ships first class, so that's like no brainer. These stamps I got for Erica, these big ones usually go for
10 bucks.
And you know, you could maybe lot those, I don't know. But those looked somewhat promising. So there was like a little lot of stamps. That goes with costume stuff. Canon camera.
Goodwill wanted 20 bucks for that.
It's a Sega AV cord, and I've sold all of those at the warehouse sale. This is, and it's funny because I used to find these at the bins, and so it's funny that I found another one there. It's for Microsoft Maps, and at the time when I was selling them, I was getting 30 bucks a piece. I don't know what they're actually selling for now, but this is another good item that we'll sell at the warehouse sale for like 5 to 10 bucks.
What's that for?
Oh, it's Xbox Connect thingy, majigger, motion sensor. This is a little Pokemon trading card like sleeve carrier thing. I don't know, it doesn't weigh anything, and I think that'll sell for a couple bucks at the warehouse sale. These Lego things also are gonna go to the warehouse sale, and I'll probably get 5 bucks a piece for those. That's a cap for the body. This is the crown jewel gem. Like,
64.
when you find something like this, just like in the bottom of the bin, you're like, this is why I came here today. This is what I was digging for my whole life.
Oh.
Like, it's a legit Nintendo 64 case, and then it's like actually in like stellar condition.
I think because I'm reading a Zelda Fits. What's their name?
That was like the dope find for the day. These are easy money. These train transformers, and like this one is in like excellent condition. It's missing 2 little rubber feet, but that's like irrelevant. It's irrelevant. No one cares. These are like 30 bucks. take. We got a GPS and another GPS. And these ones I'll plug in, test, see how well they hold their charge, update the software on them, type stuff. 2 racing controllers for like slot cars. And then I grabbed some miscellaneous cords, like common cords that I can incorporate with electronics
Or
to either
test
test or bundle for sell. For to sell them. This is the little backing thing for the GPS. And then, oh, another camera. That vintage camera might be good. Then I got some games. So Wii Sports, again, this is something where take it to the warehouse sale or bundle it. SimCity, Age of Empire, and then some Lego games. Tomb Raider, Michael Jackson, The Experience. And now people are probably questioning their word choice on that. Flight Simulator 2002. These sell really well. And if it doesn't go for much, either on Amazon or eBay, then it goes to the warehouse sale, and it's a couple bucks there. I found one of these, and I was like, I checked it on eBay, and it was selling for, it was this one, the Striking series.
Target.
And people had sold these anywhere from like $30 to $80, and these are brand new factory sealed, and they're different DVD videos. So like, I'm curious if there's anyone that has the set, what they've got out of that. Either way, these will probably go for 30 to 50 bucks a piece. So probably around 200 just in these.
And then I found these posters from McMenamins, which is like a chain.
It's a family-owned like bar
restaurant. They have like hotels, and it's local to Portland or Oregon area, and they put concerts on there too. So they always have really cool posters, and
these are freaking awesome.
Some cool ones. And then I also got things that I always look for.
Here.
I'm just gonna these Hannah. This is not good lighting. Hannah Anderson. Do you see that? Pajamas. So like the ones that are really popular are like the red and white stripes with like green foot, or green and white stripes with red foot, like holiday ones. But these ones were cute. And really clean. People like to take their Christmas photos with these, so they look for them online like this time of year. And then I found some that were Disney, so I think they're Frozen themed. So yeah, they don't weigh much, so they don't make like a lot of money, but probably 15 bucks. And then the rest of the stuff I think is mostly for our other video, although I did find an anthropology dress, which usually sells, and then another Hannah Anderson. Like, I just always pick up this brand if they look good, and if they're like holiday themed, because people look for the holidays for this brand.
And like, just any old patchwork clothing, like, could look like crap, but this looks, it looks like it's curated patchwork.
It's nice.
It looks like money.
All right, so that's our. Oh wait, you didn't even see this. That's broken now. Look at this bag I found.
Holy.
Hand-tooled leather.
Oh, that's old.
Yeah, old.
That's got some age on it.
like flower details.
Oh, damn.
Made in Mexico.
Yeah, that's... I mean, like, if you want to give away these bags, they're $30.
40, yeah, 30, 40.
But I think on average, you could expect to get like 60 to 80 out of a bag like this.
So,
Dope!
some goodies today at the bins.
Last couple things, some nautical shower hanger.
Has like lighthouses.
Thing. And this trophy topper, which is like solid. I just tried to hand it to you so that you could see how heavy it was.
But you can't.
Not yet. Not yet, but one day. That's how it will work.
Except. So yeah, that's our bins trip for today haul.
That concludes it. Again, smash on that button of the subscribing and
Wherever it is.
the little ring-a-ding.
Ring-a-ding-a-ding-a-ding.
That way you get notified when our faces are in a new vid.
Thanks for watching,
Whatnot.
and also thanks for keep following us even though we don't put out videos that often.
I know, we're trying to change that.
All right, bye.
Oh, what?
Oh, what'd you find?
It says Dodge Ink on it.
Oh.
Yeah, so this could be kind of special. Anyway, check out the next vid.